Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Wilmer Dominguez and I belong to the CAO Villavicencio. This important job about bioethics is really important because bioethics is the study of ethical issues and dilemmas arising from different advantages in biology, medicine, healthcare, and it involves examining questions related to medical research, the patient care, and reproductive technologies, and the life and decision. Taking into account, I have to take that I have choose this topic because I find this really interesting. I know some cases here in my community where people maybe were suffering too much and they decide to take the liberty of dignified death. I know a case in a neighbor. Her name was Elena. Elena was a terminal patient and she was suffering a terrible cancer. She was suffering too much. Um, the family loved Elena, but they understood that she was suffering. She had some medical care, and at the end, the doctor said that she needs palliative care. And I was talking with her family, and they told that the palliative doctor and the meeting doctor decide that if Elena want a liberty of the dead, they could give that, and they find an environment for her, a good environment for her. They, her family gave her favorite food and things like that. Everyone say goodbye to Elena, and Elena the last year that she had identified that is very controversial. We have a disjunctive in this case because of course the principal thing that we have is the life, but in this case where Elena was suffering every day and the medical care and all the medical treatment were not working and every day was very bad. I think that her opinion and her family opinion was really good. Okay, that was the bioethical case that I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.